Does AI beat me? Let's check it out. As a logo designer, after getting client brief, we research, sketch and create a mind map to get an idea or inspiration. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more such videos. Full video of logo design is in the channel. After creating the logo, for visual representation we use mockups. When I asked chatgpt to create a logo design with the same brief, it gave me this one. It was okay, but I was not satisfied, so I asked the better version and it gave me this. It is good and I was happy, but still again I asked the better result. With continuous same version it gave me the logo. So finally I asked to rate the logo which it gave me. It rated this, and in this curiosity I asked my logo to rate and the result shook me and happy. The result you can see on the screen. With all this I got conclusion that AI can give inspiration, but it cannot beat my hard work, dedication and emotion. With this end, see you in the next video and do not forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching.